MOJO Water Everest BottleLess Water Cooler. This is the best MOJO BottleLess water cooler, recommended for commercial use as well due to its impressive capacity and cold water tank. It can hold up to 2.5 gallons of cold water and promises to meet the needs of up to 30 users. It comes with proprietary water purification and filtration systems that can process up to 1,200 gallons and comes with an installation kit. The MOJO Water Everest can dispense cold water at temperatures ranging between 40 and 44 degrees Fahrenheit and let you adjust the temperature from the thermostat. Since it delivers steaming hot water as well, it comes with a child-safe faucet for it. You can turn off the hot water function if you don't need it. The UL Energy Star rated comes with a twist-off, easy-to-replace 1-micron filtration system promising to remove all water contaminants and related odor. The installation kit includes a saddle valve made of stainless steel, 25-foot flexible food-grade waterway, and easy-to-follow instructions.